Hey everyone, it is Shailene here. Welcome to my studio vlog. Today it's like 47 degrees outside, and so I woke up this morning and just immediately made a fire. So in this week's vlog, I am working on a couple of fun things. Be sure to stick around because I'm going to give you a link to a free 1-hour Michael's class where I'm going to be painting a pumpkin, which feels very appropriate for the weather. And I'm also going to share a free couple of coloring page downloads for you. I'll be showing just some of the behind the scenes getting ready for my Michael's class that I taught yesterday. I share some stickers that I got from Sticker App, as well as a demonstration of how I use the Winsor & Newton Pro Marker Watercolors, which they gifted to me, and I've really loved experimenting with them. Besides that, just a couple other random projects in the studio. So I hope you enjoy, and here we go. Alright, I just wanted to show you really quick. Here are the finished products. I know I barely showed you anything, but this is one of the coloring pages you can download. And here's the other one. So just go to shailenelouise.com/free and you can download those and print them out. Hey friends, today I'm going to be painting with Winsor & Newton's, these are called their Pro Marker Watercolors. I guess I should hold them up so you can see. They each have two ends. They have a thicker end and they have a smaller point. So you can see that. So you can use them like regular markers, just kind of draw like you would, but they are also water activated. So if you use them with watercolor paper and you use it in junction with a watercolor brush, you can move that color and manipulate it just a bit more. It's kind of hard to just explain, so I will show you my process. Hey, so today I am working on some A class that I'm going to do for Michael's tomorrow. Also, do you like my visor? It's really, really bright in here, so I need to wear a hat. And there's just one window in here. But anyways, yeah, so tomorrow I'm teaching a class through michaels.com and we're going to be working on a pumpkin. There we go. I ran over it a couple times today just to make sure I got what it takes. Yeah, I just like to go over it and make sure I know the steps really well so I can communicate it correctly. And I think it's gonna go good. By the time you watch this, it'll be over. So I'll link the class down below. Unless it goes really bad, then I won't link it, but I'll have it down below. I also just got some stickers. I'll show you my stickers. Also, Osita wants to come up and say hi. Come here. Here's Osita. These are from Sticker app. Oh, okay. Shiny. I'll move the camera so you can see. Okay, so I just took them out of their little baggies, and here is what they all look like. I really like how this one turned out. I have my garden roses, which I actually really love how it's cut around the design like that. It looks awesome. And then I did my succulents, circular succulents design, and a wild rose design, which kind of turned out sort of metallic. Very interesting. I think I would like to see how they look matte as well, but yeah, this one is definitely my favorite. That turned out super sweet. So I think I'm going to start including these with my print orders from my website, and yeah, I'll have to get some more ordered soon. So there you have it. I am in the midst of working on a new big piece. It's gonna be like a 13 by, do you want to be here or no? But it's like a 13 by 19, and okay, how about you get settled? There you go. Anyways, it's like a big one, like a 13 by 19, and it's been a really, I don't know. I feel like a lot of the paintings I've been doing lately have just been for either for Michael's or for, you know, like reels or for like a licensing opportunity. And I think that I've just been kind of craving making a painting that is not for anything other than myself and just kind of creative fulfillment. So I spent a really long time getting this one ready. I looked through like a ton of reference photos I'd taken and some that I had found, and just like pieced together the kind of flowers I wanted to use. And yeah, it's taken me quite a few hours to work on. So I think I'll probably show you guys maybe in my next vlog some process of it, but we'll see. I'll have to play it by ear. I'll show you what it looks like so far though. I feel like you probably can't see it right now, but there's just the sketch of it. More to see soon. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this week's vlog. I'll see you next Friday at my next video. Bye.